Hey everybody, it's another day. I hadn't planned on doing I think it's part 6. We're going to take the Polaris Ranger down and pick up the cement blocks I put in that ditch that I had to jump across to get all that brush loaded. I'm going to show you what we accomplished. I'll park the Ranger about where I had it and show you before and after. And then I'll get those cement blocks, bring them up here. It'll be the end, totally the end of the brush. Let's go for a ride. There's my loppers. I've got to go out in the backyard in the dog run today and lop down some brush that's getting high. They don't have a lot of it. We've got 3/4 of an acre fenced for the 3 hounds in the backyard to run. But, they're getting encroached on by the brush, so I'm going to go down and clear some of that out. There we go. Water just came off the roof. Yeah, let's go this way. Put it in 4-wheel drive. There's the water coming off. Hit the camera. I hope it didn't get on the lens. I don't want to hit my peach trees. Okay, here's about where I had it parked. Leave it there to show you a before and after. I'll put a clip in there of what it looked like before. Okay, hang tight. Be right back with you. There's what we got cleaned up. There's the trunk of that tree. It's going to lay there till it rots because my chainsaw's only got only an 18-inch bar on it, and that tree is 32 inches in diameter. It's a big rascal. Okay, there's a piece of it I cut all the part that's laying down in there up and hauled it away. Let's see, I think I have the camera right about here. And you can see it's pretty, his section's pretty well cleaned up. Okay, I'm gonna go get those cement things. Hang tight. Okay, this one's about buried from rainwater and gravel coming down the road. There's the other one. I'm gonna get these 2 back in the cart and haul them up and unload them, and then it's going to be the end of this one. Totally the end of the white pine tree. Okay, I'm going to get these out. You don't need to watch them. Be back with you shortly. Bye. Hey everybody. I hope you liked that last video. Some of them I like after I get done editing them, some of them I'm not so fond of, but Once taken, you don't really know what you got until you go to editing. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you went down there, clicked on some of the others, give it a thumbs up, write in a comment. Actually, subscribing would be great. I appreciate everything you can do for me. I've got more videos coming. Just get into them. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you again another day. Bye.